This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. Spacious two-story condominium located in a 4-unit boutique building in the heart of historic Freemason. 2 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms and a rooftop deck with bold views of the downtown skyline. Features include a tankless water heater, replacement windows with xenon gas-filled panes, custom closets and storage solutions by Closet Factory, plus new high-efficiency gas HVAC. Assigned basement storage and 2 off-street parking spaces. 1 pet is allowed and the owner's current flood insurance policy premium is $800/year shown by appointment. For more information, review the details below.